So the RIC printer we see behind us is different than a lot of the 3D printers we see on the market right now, which are gantry based, where you have to set up basically a miniature tower crane, 4-tower system, and then you run back and forth on the gantry. This is more like a boom lift, and it's able to access and come into smaller compartments without having to be attached to a gantry system. So this is probably the next generation of 3D printing, which will give us an advantage over the existing gantry-based systems. I would also add, we're going to have an open house here in the coming weeks, months, inviting all the industry partners from design and engineers to contractors to come on down, take a look, touch and feel the cement. It's different. If you haven't seen it before, or you've only seen it on videos and promos, this will be a chance right here in Seattle to come down and check it out.